unicorns, it's Ellie. So, it's good to be back doing Mondays. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do these weekly or like every other week or even once a month. I'm really not sure. I know like it's kind of like it's just videos, just post the video. It's like nah. It's several things. So either I could do what I'm finna do today, which is like I'm gonna slick be doing it's not necessarily a get ready with me because I'm not about to get ready and go do something. I'm about to prep my hair to be put up for like a day or two, and so it's almost like I don't want to say get unready with me because I'm more where's the stuff? I am so mad right now. I just like found the hair products I wanted to use, and now they're not in the cabinet, and I'm upset now. Because that's not even cool, bro. It's not even cool. Like, why would you move? Who moved them? Who did this? Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I guess. I suppose I'll just have to use... Wait, let me check over here first. And shampoo. It's all shampoo. Why is there so much shampoo? I will use that other conditioner, but that's not mine. Anyway, what's up, Dewa? JB _ 1.5. I don't know your actual name, I'm sorry. But shalom. So some of you guys have seen my Instagram stories over the past, like, I guess few weeks. And I do talk about, like, different, it's not investment tips. It is, when you pay attention to certain things, how the economy's going, all that type of stuff, you have a certain insight. Not many financial experts are talking about this, but it's investing in oil. And that's one of the stocks I had invested in the past couple days. So let me show you guys. I am not a financial expert. I am not giving financial advice. I am just saying these are the things that are important in the today economy. And so currently I have about $21 invested in this one oil company. I think it's flipped. Let me flip it around. So it's in this oil and gas company. And this one in particular, they pay out dividends. So if you have a Cash App account, you can invest in it really, really easily. Just put your money in there. And then, boom, you can get paid dividends and experience appreciation or gain value in that stock. You can sell it if you want to, but I don't recommend selling it. I'm going to keep adding more and more money into that stock simply because it's going up in value. Not like over time it'll go up in value, but they also pay out dividends, which is passive income. You don't have to work for it. Yeah. Dache of Benjamin. I am so sorry if I butchered that, but what's up? I am so sorry. The horse is in the truck? The horse is in the truck? That's crazy.
That's crazy, Missy.
Alright. And also over this time, I went a little broke, but like I went broke in a good way. I have been spending, y'all know what I've been spending my money on, for the most part at least. And so now I have a gram of gold. I do want to get up to owning an ounce. The thing about gold is that one is going up in value a lot more and a lot faster than silver, because with silver, even though the rate was shalom, even though the rate is going up a lot faster, the amount of money is growing up slower. So like silver started out at like $16 or something earlier this year. Now it's roughly at like 30 per ounce. But gold, even though that one started at like, I don't know, like 1,500 this year, it's up to about 2,000 or something now. And that's a lot of money that I don't quite have yet. So I had to get in where I could get in, and that's just how I did that. So I got a gram. I'm not going to show you guys on camera, at least not right now. That's just something I'm going to keep to myself for a little while. It's nothing against my followers. It's the people who follow me with bad intentions or who don't follow me and they still watch my videos just to see what I got going on. Them folks be weird to me. I'd be like, what? If you don't like me, don't check my page. But that's how it is with them. But the main thing I wanted to say is we're closing out the year. Just make sure you have something to back up your savings. Make sure you have something to hedge, like pretty much just hedge your savings. Because, you know, we're going into this whole cashless society thing. Hi, Bree Smith, what's up? We're going into this whole cashless society thing and the actual U.S. dollar bill. The thing is, if we live in America, we're safe for a little bit because the United States dollar is the world reserve currency. And we don't know how long that's going to last because originally it was gold. And then once the U.S. dollar was taken off the gold standard back in 1971 or 74 with President Nixon, then that was when things really, really started to get bad. The value of gold skyrocketed. The value of the dollar went all the way down. And so with this whole thing going on after the financial crisis of this year, the lockdowns, people losing their jobs and losing their houses, all this stuff, that is why it's really, really important to go ahead and hedge your savings and protect yourself from whatever could possibly happen, because we don't know. We have no idea what could happen, so it's just best to go ahead and protect yourself. I don't recommend things like mutual funds or things that you can't like actively be a part of or see or understand. I say go ahead with the precious metals. It doesn't necessarily have to be gold and silver. It can be other things that also hold value. But precious metals, cryptocurrency to an extent. I did have some money in Bitcoin, but I took it out. And like almost right after I took it out, the value went down by I think $1,000 or something. I took it out at almost $12,000. Then it went down to about $10,000. So I mean, we'll see how that one goes. But also stocks that are, I don't want, well, how do you say, like, not necessarily essential companies, but companies that have a good history, like definitely Amazon, things like Disney. Things like the oil and gas companies, like natural oils, gas, resources, different things like that, different commodities. A lot of tech companies. Let me see what else. Yeah, but make sure you do your own research. Do your own research. I only share my own experience and things that other experts say. I don't say things that I just got like a hot tip from some random person who said whatever. But also, there are different people who are not necessarily even in the financial industry. Some people get hot tips from God. Like, even in the Bible, it says, God told me a rumor. And it's like, that's how it be sometimes. God will be like, hey, you need to invest in this. And, yeah. Or it'll be like, God will say, you'll need to sell this. And you sell it. And then you make a bunch of money off of it, or start this business, and then you start flourishing in that business. So it's just also having a connection with God and being able to listen to Him for different things that are going on in your life, or different things that are going on in other people's lives. Because my calling is to share my information with the rest of you. And so I'm not supposed to keep all my information to myself, which sucks sometimes because I really just want to be rich low-key and not have anybody in my business, but that's not what God's calling me to do. He wants me to share my information that I have with you guys after I reach a certain amount of success with it. Because if I wasn't successful in a lot of areas, it wouldn't make sense for me to share the information with you guys, because it's like, who am I to say anything if I haven't seen the actual prosperity of that situation. So, but yeah, I currently own, I think it's like 9 to 10 ounces of silver. I am giving some away. once my YouTube channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and my friend's YouTube channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So y'all go follow him on Instagram. It's J with 2 Y's, Jayy, Boogie Fi, at JBoogieFI on both Instagram and YouTube. And make sure you guys continue to follow me, Real Talk with Ellie, on Instagram. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is also Real Talk with Ellie. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, Rainicorns. Have a happy Monday.